The only way to do scrambled egg is on the stove. So to make the perfect scrambled eggs, all we need is 3 eggs, some oil and a teaspoon of butter. So first things first, we're going to crack 3 eggs into a bowl of whisk and we'll love this salt. Make sure you mix them up. Oil in first, about a tablespoonful. You want this on a low heat, you don't want the pan too hot. And then in with the eggs. Move the round from the edges, bringing the egg into the middle. You'll see that it starts to form together. So when you're mixing this, always use a spatula or wooden spoon. Never use metal and never use a whisk. If you use a whisk, you're just going to break up the lumps. And by using metal, you're just going to ruin the bottom of your pan. Turn the pan off and I'm going to add in my butter. Now you can see now that the butter's starting to gloss all over, and that's a scrambled egg. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked that, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos.